How to send a photo as a document on WhatsApp using your iPhone. This method is useful when you want to send a photo in its original quality without WhatsApp compressing it. The recipient can tap the document to download and open the original image. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Open the conversation where you want to send the photo. Tap the plus button next to the message box. From the menu, select Document. Now choose Photo or Video. Then select the photo you want to send. Review the selected photo and tap Next. When you send a photo as a document, WhatsApp sends the original file rather than processing it like a regular photo message. So this method is useful when maintaining the original quality is important. And that's how you can send HD or original quality photos on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.